Hey friends, if you wish to fix error code 0x0 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So the first solution is to update all the drivers. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, select advanced option, click on optional updates. If you find any driver updates here, then please install them. The next one is to run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. So search for Windows Memory Diagnostic, and click on this. Now click on Restart Now and check for problems. The last solution is to run Driver Verifier. So search for Verifier in the Windows search bar and click on Verifier. Okay, now click on Create Standard Settings. Next, automatically select Unsigned Drivers. Next. Okay, it will start checking for information, and if it finds unsigned drivers it would mark them, but if it doesn't then it will give a message, no unsigned drivers have been found. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.